Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of investing. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to expand their investment portfolio, this video is for you. We'll cover the fundamentals of how to start investing and provide you with some valuable tips along the way. So, let's get started. The first step in investing is to have a solid financial foundation. It's essential to save money and build an emergency fund before you start investing. Think of your savings as the fuel that powers your investment journey. The next step is to educate yourself about different investment options. Research and gather information about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. To deepen your understanding, read books on personal finance and investing. Some highly recommended titles include The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor. They can help you set financial goals, develop an investment plan, and provide personalized advice based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Once you feel confident about your knowledge and have a plan in place, it's time to open an investment account. Choose a reputable brokerage firm or an online platform that aligns with your investment goals. Start by depositing funds into your investment account. You can contribute a lump sum or set up regular automatic contributions. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment, so it's important to start early and be consistent. Diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and regions. This helps to minimize the impact of any one investment on your overall portfolio. Monitor your investments regularly but avoid making knee-jerk reactions to short-term market fluctuations. Focus on your long-term goals and stay disciplined. Patience and perseverance are vital qualities for successful investing. Finally, celebrate your investment milestones along the way. It's important to acknowledge and reward yourself for the progress you make. Remember, investing is a journey, and each step forward brings you closer to your financial goals. And that's a wrap for today's video on how to start investing. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident about taking your first steps into the world of investments. Remember, investing involves risks, and it's always advisable to do thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing!